Yo, yo, yo. Yo, yo, yo. Can you guys hear me? Can you guys see? Yeah. Alright, cool. Let's give it a couple. Let me give it 1 minute. Let people join up. And we got decent enough people. Alright. Alright, let's go ahead and get started with the watch list. Um, okay. Alright, cool. Let's go look at Apple. At Apple. So, Apple completely fill the gap. I wouldn't play Apple if we can break above the high of day of today. So calls above 195.33, puts below 192.26 for the gap fill down to the downside. Let's go ahead and look at Amazon. Amazon, obviously, right? We swung this. I like this setup here. Like I said, larger time frame looks nice. Calls above 157.17 if you're not in. I want to see us gap above this level tomorrow. If we gap above this and then break above this, we're just going. We're going for the high, all the way to 170 potentially. So I love the setup here for Amazon. That's why I swung it. Amazing setup here. Let's go ahead and look at Intel. Intel, it's an inside weekly, double inside weekly, triple inside weekly. So calls above 49.38 and then puts below 45.24. Let's go look at Snow. Snow. I like this one. Calls above 202.87. It's an inside weekly. Um, what was it? Inside. Hold on. Oh, if they gap above. So yeah, so calls above 202.87 and then puts below 196.51. Today's low day for the gap fill right back down. TSM. TSM looks interesting. Inside daily calls above 115.15, puts below 111.02. Right. CVS, it broke out today. It's a gap fill play. Calls above 74.43. Room up to 75.75. Okta, gap fill too. Um, Okta break above the high looks nice. So break above today's high, 86.08. Continue to the upside at least to the monthly open, and then puts below 82.95 for the gap fill right back down. Oracle, I am swinging a little bit of Oracle still. I love Oracle here. The setup is nice. Right, gap fill up. I want us to fill the whole gap. So calls above 110.70, puts below 109.02 for the gap fill right back down. This one could be nasty too. So, but I like the upside. Nice uptrend here. It broke structure, right? So nice. IWM. IWM has a break above this high, 197.10, back up to the monthly open, and then puts below 194.02. That's what I like for IWM down to the downside to fill the gap right back down. Nice, decent, solid setups. Posted them on the Discord already. You guys have the levels. Let's go ahead and look at SPY and QQQ. So let's go look at SPY real quick. Obviously, all-time high. We gapped up. We came back to retest, pushed back to daily open. Couldn't get above the daily open. Pretty much SPY did a whole bunch of nothing today. We just chopped around, closed, opened the daily open, closed around the daily open. So these are times where you have to just cash is a position, guys. You don't have to trade every hour, every day, and I hope you guys understand that. But for SPY, I'll look for a retest back down to 478.57 to catch a bounce up. And then let's go look at QQQ. QQQ, same thing, right? Gapped up, came back to retest that level, bounced, Fortunately, didn't tap the daily open though, but we're just sitting in this range here now. If we come back down to 419.31, that's my 50% on the hourly time frame. So I would like that for a retest to head higher, back to all-time highs. I don't know what's gonna happen. We'll see market open, what happens. Hopefully we can continue back above the weekly open. We gap up, I guess essentially, gap up again. Our Amazon's will be in the money. But other than that, if we don't get a break above overnight or in the morning, I'll wait for a retest down here. If we break below 414.63, sorry, then I'm switching to the downside. Why? Because we have a gap down, and then obviously on the larger time frame, that's gonna turn bearish on the 4 hour, on the 1 hour, on the daily, right? So right now you're just in this bullish range now, right? It's just an uptrend. You're just stuck here now. You're between $10 move. So we don't know what's gonna happen, right? Just watching the price action, but we get a little bit of more chop, boom, 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 right? Just a bunch of bullshit around the zone. But what I really want to see, okay, what I really want to see though, it's if we are gonna break to the 50%, our imbalance on the hourly, right, and then come back and test the daily open, or the weekly open, sorry, or all-time high, and then essentially if we do bounce off of here, retest here, come back down to the premium, and then head higher. Right, so that would be a nice setup. All-time high again, all-time high breaks, retest, head higher. But we'll see what happens, right? If not, we'll play the downside. If we get an hourly break below this low here too, below today's low a day, we can play a retest. So if we get a break below, play the retest, either back to the weekly open or whatever forms here, order block, imbalance, fibs, whatever confluence you get here, right? Retest and then break down to the optimum premium, right? To catch a 4 or 5 point move. So I don't want to predict. I just want to see what happens. Breaks below. Alright, wait for a retest. Short it. Doesn't break below. Stays within range. Still bullish. No reason to try to short that. Alright. Let's go look at XPX real quick. XPX. I'm waiting. Down here. Had a break instruction in the hourly. But if you guys look at XPX, XPX held the hourly low. Right. Ooh. It held the hourly low. Right. So that's. I can actually. Right? So held that low here for XPX. So very very interesting setup here for XPX holding that break structure, retest it. Essentially, we just gonna head higher here, right? Let's go on a smaller time frame. Did it on a 30-minute, 15-minute change of character. Whole bunch of nothing, right? Nasty chop, nasty, nasty, nasty. So let's go ahead and mark this up. 1 hour low, right? I'm just set alert. Okay, now let's go look at NAS. Let's go see NAS real quick. I already have my level set, but so NAS got the 1 hour change of character to the downside, right? So how do we play those sells today? Swing high to swing low. That caused a break, right? Okay, you go intraday, hourly, 30-minute, 15-minute, and 5-minute. Right over, no, hold on, 15. Yeah, your 15-minute order block here. So what happened? It came and tapped the 50% right here, right? Your 50% got tapped. Okay, let's go to a smaller time frame now. 50% got tapped, rejected. Sorry, I had a break of structure. What happened with that break of structure? You got to retest back into the imbalance. Your risk is as high, and then to come back down, take that same low, right? So this is how you scalp. I'm gonna teach you guys real fucking quick. So I'm just gonna leave this so not to confuse you guys. Okay. So you guys know how I tell you wait for, after it taps the fibs, wait for a retest or wait for a change of character. Cool. You got that, right? You go into 1 minute. Let's go see. 1 minute. You got it right here, right? Cool. But if you missed it right at the 50%, what do you wait for? You got to break a structure right here, right? Break structure, right? So what do we do next? Sorry. You got to break a structure right here. You have imbalance right here. Right? And obviously 5 minutes aggressive, guys. But you have an imbalance right here, right? Okay. So your entry is anywhere in this imbalance. Say you took it right here. Your first, your stop loss is right here, and then your, first TP is this low, right? TP1, right? Or weekly open. You can just make a weekly open, take off, sweep those lows. Right, this is already a 1 to 2, right? So right here you're risking 85, 20 points to essentially make 40 points. So yeah, 1 to 2, and then to sweep these lows here, right? So about, 60, yeah, 60 points, 20 point risk. And that's how you, you take them entries if you miss that one. You missed the top, cool, right? Wait for the breaker structure. What happens? You always get a retest. Now, if you don't get a retest, fuck it, bro. Just wait for the next day. Wait for the next setup. You just don't chase it, because at that point, like if you chase, like you're chasing down here, right? Because you missed it already. You're chasing down here. Your R&R isn't the best, right? Your first TP's here, and you're risking all the way up here. So please don't chase, guys. Like make sure you guys know what you're risking, right? Retest, break down, take out the lows. Right? For shorts, you just target the lows. For calls, you just target the highs, right? Keep it very simple. Um, Other than that, does anyone have any questions, guys? Hope that helped you guys a little bit to be able to understand how I trade. So now that you guys got this week, you guys can see this. If you guys don't, obviously you guys know the courses there. You guys can get that and learn from there. But this is just really quick, just to run down how I trade, what I look for my entry. Like I tell you guys, right? The 4 things you need to have, right? Just to know all the time, right? One, change your character, or break a structure. Two, order block or imbalance, right? Three, fibs, right? Four, either a buy to sell or sell to buy. So an M, or a W, right? Simple, right? Just 4 things I look for, and then I take my entry. Even if you were to do it, right? Let's see. Even if you took the fibs from the swing high to the low where the break structure happened, let's go see. What was your entry? The fucking optimal, right? So what would you get? One was break a structure, break structure. Two, order block or imbalance, imbalance, right? That's 2 for 2 so far. Fibs, three, where to tap the optimal, three, right? And then there was no buy to sell here. Well, there was on the hourly, right? On the hourly there was. So that's how you find all your pieces of confluence. Where, right? Then swept the highs, break structure, retest, and broke down. Alright, so that was pretty much it. Anyone have any questions there, guys? The swing high, swing low. This one, swing 9-9. This one, pussy. Swing 9-9. Good shit, Waldo. Let me just cash the 35K, bro. You don't need it. You got the 400,000. Let me just cash the 35K, bro. You'll be good. Alright, but yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Hope that helped you guys a little bit, so you guys can understand the market. Just being patient, just wait for the setup and then execute. Anyone have any questions before I head out, guys? Any questions? Watches is posted. You guys have that. Other than that, guys, enjoy the rest of your night. Take care. We'll bank tomorrow. Peace out.